Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another exciting video of iDevice Guide. This is Puneet Khatri back with another video. So guys, you might be thinking that why am I holding this iPhone 6 in my hands? But the thing is, many of you guys out there have an older iPhone, or specifically speaking an iPhone with a really small amount of storage capacity, and using a storage capacity of like 16 gigs in 2018, the year which is of 512 gigs of iPhone. So yes guys, if you have not yet watched the mod video of 512 gigs of iPhone, the video link will be down in the description. Don't forget to watch it. It's something really crazy stuff on the internet right now. So guys, talking about this iPhone specifically, this is an iPhone 6 which has a storage capacity of 16 gigs. Let me just show you. In here about, you can see the capacity, it says 12.35 gigs. So guys, Apple says this is a 16 gigs iPhone and the remaining 3.7 gigs storage is being used by the software or the system installed on this iPhone, the iOS software that uses that much capacity, and the user is left with just 12.35 gigs iPhone storage available. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to survive with just 12.35 gigs in 2018. So without wasting any of time, let's get started. Also guys, the very first thing that you need to make sure is the downloaded music. You might be thinking that downloaded music doesn't consume that lot of storage on your device, but it does. So what you need to do is that go in a general storage, iCloud, manage storage, and here you need to go ahead and delete any of the music that is being downloaded here on your iPhone, like in the Apple Music or the music application on your iDevice. And the best replacement I would say is using an online streaming application, as in Spotify is the best one I can recommend, and also an alternative will be Apple Music, and that will help definitely to save a lot of storage on your device. Moving up next is the major issue of photos. So best and the no cost alternative is Google Photos. What Google Photos does is that over Wi-Fi it backups all of your photos to its Google services. Like you need to have a Google account and will back up all of your photos and upload it to Google Drive or like your Google account. The major advantages are unlimited storage and the best quality. The quality of the photos being uploaded is not like reduced, but it is same as the high quality uploaded over the internet. Also, you can save all of your photos to Google Photos and delete them from your iPhone. You get the option directly from Google Photos that is free up space. Like you can just select this option and tap on remove. That will help you to free up all the photos. Like it will delete the photos from your iPhone, and the same copy is being there in the Google Photos. So even if when you switch devices, you don't have to copy photos and copy your data and all, automatically just log in into Google Photos and all your photos are already there on your new phone too. Alright, so guys, up next the third tip will be the applications or so-called games which you no longer use. The games are the application which you downloaded long back but you don't use them. Just go ahead and tap and hold on to such applications. Tap on the cross icon, hit delete. Tap on the cross icon, hit delete. This will help you to free up space on your device because you don't need those applications, so why do you just need to store them on your iPhone and let them use the so-called space which is very precious to you guys because you have only a 16 gigs of iPhone. Alright, so guys, up next, the second last option that we are going to talk about in this video, go ahead and tap on settings. Here you can see that many applications such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and WhatsApp are using a huge amount of data on your device. So what you need to do is that go on your home screen, get rid of these applications, and you need to download these applications again. Don't worry, none of your data will be deleted. So in order to free the data, you need to go ahead and tap on these applications, tap on delete, and just delete these applications. Once you delete all of these applications, just go ahead and tap on the App Store and download these apps again. So this will help you to free up a lot of space on your device, and the user data or the saved data on these applications gets deleted from your iPhone, and that saves a lot of storage. Coming up to the last one, you always wonder what is the other space or like the other data on your device and how do you actually get rid of it because it consumes a lot of space. Alright guys, what all you need to do is plug in your device into iTunes, back up your device in iTunes and restore the same backup to your iPhone again. So what it does is that it helps you to remove all that other data, and easily in no time you get rid of that other data and get a hell lot of storage on your device. Alright, so guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give a thumbs up to this video. Also make sure to share this video with your friends so that they also can get the survival pack of 2018 to survive with a 16 gigs of iPhone. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to our device guide for such really great content, the subscribe button will be down right there. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe iDevice Guide. And if you have to ask something or like whatever your opinion is on this video, I'll be waiting for them in the comment section down below. So guys, that's about it for this video. I'll catch you guys later in my next one. Peace out.